Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This video will probably be in two parts. I'm super excited because I just got some stuff.
So, I haven't had a personal computer known as a pasokon for a very long time. After a whole lot of saving and pondering, I decided to get one. But of course, a case is necessary to preserve this tool. I got this one on an Amazon sale for about 900 yen, which is like $9. Along with my pasokon, I had to get some necessary stuff. This included the multi-port adapter, the Magic Mouse, and Microsoft Office. My laptop came in 11 days after I ordered it.
Holy moly! Holy! Boy, am I excited. Damn.
I got the M1 MacBook Air 13-inch rose gold, 16 gigs RAM, 1 terabyte, and all the other specifications they have on the webpage. It came with this cat too that connects with the Magic Mouse to the laptop. No wonder it was super expensive. The adapter is very necessary because this laptop only comes with 2 USB-C ports and a headset jack.
Do not. Of all places to sit.
Okay, moving on. I had a 1-week break that was very helpful since I have been feeling burnt out. As the days of the week went by, I made another expensive choice. Who am I kidding? I made this choice a day into my break, or 3. I got a cat. I adopted her. Her name is still undecided. Well, her names are still undecided, but she responds to Chino, spelled CCINO, all in small letters. And it comes from cappuccino. Not that I am a big fan of cappuccino. Anyway. My recent trip was to the beach. I had yet another relaxing time and a time to learn and reflect. I think if there is one thing that I love about this place is how I can easily access the beach or the mountains. Being in nature really helps me feel at peace. Anyway, that's what I've been up to.